Hi, I'm Scott Carnes, and it's a great day to be a Carnes customer. Let's get cooking with this week's meal deal, cheesy roast beef wraps. I've got my wrap here, and I've added some ranch dressing. Just going to spread that around. Place 2 slices of roast beef in the center of each of these wraps. 2 slices of American cheese. You can use any other cheese. If you like Swiss, provolone, make it your choice. Add some chopped red pepper, chopped onion, chopped tomato. Throw in any kind of lettuce mix. And then with your wraps, tuck in the sides nice and tight. And then you take the back, roll it to the middle, and then tightly roll that wrap away from you. When you get it nice and tight, just take a toothpick, stick it in the middle. We'll make 4 of these wraps and take a look at this meal deal later in the newscast. Hi, let's take a look at this week's meal deal, cheesy roast beef wraps. Everybody loves wraps, and they just take 15 minutes to prepare and serve to your family, and they're perfect with a deli side salad.
This week at Carnes, you can feed a family of 4 this meal deal for only $11.95. For the complete recipe, go to the Community tab on abc27.com.